Hi, welcome to the eighth part of Mahopanishad from Samaveda. In the seventh part, we read this particular verse. We'll move on to the next. Consciousness is never an object, all is self. This is the essence of all Vedantic doctrines. Resorting to this sure doctrine, behold the world, intellectually and freely. You will independently achieve the self, status of bliss holding. I am spirit, these worlds are spirit, the directions in space are spirit, these manifested beings are spirit. I am the glory, devoid of objects and perceptions, wholly pure of form, eternally manifest, rid of all appearances, seer, witness spirit, free from all objects, the full-orbed light in essence, for which no nobles exist, knowledge pure and simple. And the last verse is King of sages, with all mental constructions wiped out, all yearnings abolished, resort to the status of certitude and be self-established in the self. So that's the end of the sixth chapter, and the epilogue, as it were, is this. The Brahmin, seeker after truth, who dwells upon the Mahopanishad, becomes a well-versed Vedantic scholar. If uninitiated, he becomes initiated. He becomes purified by fire, by air, by the sun, by the moon, by truth, by all agents of purification. He becomes known to all gods, is cleaned, as if he has dipped in all sacred waters. He dwells in the thoughts of all gods. Through repetition of sacred utterances, one wins immortality. This is the Mahopanishad. Om. Let my limbs and speech, prana, eyes, ears, vitality, and all the senses grow in strength. All existence is the Brahman of Upanishads. May I never deny Brahman, nor Brahman deny me. Let there be no denial at all. Let there be no denial, at least from me. May the virtues that are proclaimed in the Upanishads be in me, who am devoted to the Atman. May they reside in me. Om. Let there be peace in me. Amen. Let there be peace in my environment. Ameen. Summa Ameen. Let there be peace in the forces that act on me. Amen. Ameen. Summa Ameen. And here ends the Mahopanishad, included in the Samaveda. So thank you very much, everyone, whoever has listened to it, even in parts. Thank you very much. Even a little, even a few minutes. Thank you very much. You can visit my YouTube channel, on which I have posted, I will be posting this text movies in 8 parts. You can also, what shall I say, you can also go through the rest of the site. You may find something interesting. I have been trying to post many different kind of videos, some vlogs, some poetry, some advice, some lectures, some analysis, some readings of some religious books, some philosophy. So it's a kind of a mix of all kinds of things. This channel is really about me, how I've been changing over time. I have put translations and text movies in English as well of many Upanishads. Not that I know much, but then, I got to try. My own self, I consider this in an old saying of Urdu which says, Tola bhar ki aarsi, nani bole farsi. Thanks, bye bye.